Hello guys. Today I will show you how to speed up your computer 10 times more. Follow my steps. Press right click on taskbar. Then press Task Manager. Go to Startup and turn off any apps that are there that you are not using, because those apps that are turned off are taking away your processes. The next thing you do is go to search and type run. Next type %temp% delete everything in this folder. All these items are cached that are not needed. Then go to search again and type defragment and optimize drives and select C and press optimize. Next, go to this PC, right-click and click Properties. Right-click where it is Advanced System Settings and click Settings, and select Adjust for best performance. Next, again go to this PC, right-click on C and select Properties. Then press Disk Cleanup. The last step, go to Search and type Run. In Run, type prefetch, also delete everything in this folder. This is similar to the first case with %temp%. Thanks for watching my video. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.